Hi guys, hi, how's it going? How are you doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. You can see I have a guest here. This is my son, Zakkari. You guys maybe know him from before. I'll link that video up in the cards. I did a nice little water wave on his eyeballs in the past. And today, for his 30th birthday, we are bringing him back on and doing something else with his eyeballs. Let's say hello, Zakkari.
Hello. How's it going?
So that is what we're doing today. I hope that you guys are going to love it. I think that it's always a fun time when I'm here with one or more of my kids. And what you guys can't see is that the room is filled with people that are celebrating his birthday time with him, watching him getting his eye makeup done. This is always fun. So for those of you new, hi, my name is Donna. I'm a field leader for Ulta. I get a lot of education in my position. I like to bring it here, but ultimately I'm just out here talking about makeup because I like to talk about makeup and do makeup. I never do makeup on other people, but we're gonna do it today. It's gonna be a fun time, and I hope that you're here for it, and I hope that you want to subscribe before you go. With that said, let's jump into this. So we are gonna start with washing your face down with some exfoliant. You have a lot of hair on your face.
I know.
Can I pluck it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you're welcome to.
Shall we make you look super cute? Like that? How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, good. I'm gonna take the tweezers to you.
Okay.
I need my glasses. My glasses should be on right now. Why do you have so much hair on your forehead or your temple?
Because my eyebrows are trying to connect to my hairline.
That's very strange.
Yeah, I always thought it was kind of weird too. There's also a swoop in my hairline right around there, so my hairline's trying to connect to my eyebrows as well.
That's weird. Does this hurt at all?
No.
How does it not?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I guess I could take a razor to it, but head up because I'm going to get right down here too.
That's the part. Because those roots seem deep into really soft, stretchy skin, so it's...
Yeah, I'm not going to get them all.
Sisters, not twins.
Sisters, not twins. There's a lot of hair here.
Mm-hmm.
You should get them waxed.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Ow!
Let me see. You're not bleeding.
Okay.
I just pinched you. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll stop now. All right. We're gonna do fire. So we're starting with red. The color starting out with is Hikari Fierce, which is a single shadow in my collection. And then I think from red we will go to orange. We could do all shimmer on your lid, yeah. This is Sydney Grace Orange Soda. Red and orange melt into one another really well. Trust process. You guys can talk.
You look so pretty.
This is very fun to watch. The yellow is going to be Sydney Grace Lemonade. Okay, look at me. Turn towards me. There you go. Your tummy is growling.
Hmm?
Your tummy is growling.
It makes noise a lot.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you just ate, so you should be hungry.
Moving stuff around.
What?
Moving stuff around.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Are you sweating? It's warm in here with all the lights.
It's like that girl who did our photo shoot, your little fan.
Oh yeah.
What photo shoot?
Or the family photos when we were down in Georgia.
Oh. I dig it.
Looks really good.
And now we're gonna try some graphic liner and make flames. Yes?
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Oh shit, here we go. Don't open your eye. Oh dear. Nothing, I'm not a graphic liner person.
What's graphic liner versus regular liner?
Shapes and pictures. Are you dancing?
Mm-hmm.
For instance, I'm trying to make it look like flames on your eyeball.
Mm. So more for getting graphic details.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it looks badass.
Oh wow, you're so gorgeous.
What do you think, Liz?
I love it.
Do you? Do you?
Yeah.
Or are you lying?
I'm not lying.
Okay. Zakkari? Close this eye and look at. So the white is the hot spots, right? And
Yeah.
then like I can't draw flames. Let's just be honest.
I dig it in any case.
Now I've got to try and duplicate it on the other eye.
Well, that's the thing with fire. It never looks exactly the same.
Okay. Do you dig it?
Yeah, I do.
Does it look beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay. What does it need?
No, I'm just looking at it. It's hard for me to open my right eye with the other one closed, I've noticed.
I am not a professional. Liz loves it. That's all that matters, I guess.
I dig it.
Are you lying?
No.
This is not a tattoo. Thank God, right? Thank God. Okay. Other eye.
2 hours later.
Okay, son.
Mm-hmm.
This side looks much better. What do you think, Liz?
Oh yeah, I like that.
We should have done the second side first. Okay, open. I love it. It's like fire coming out of your eyeballs.
Yeah.
Do you hate it?
No, I dig it.
Which one do you like?
I dig it.
Are you lying? You're lying.
No. I like it.
So stay there. We are going to buff out your lower lash line. Okay, open and look up. I'm not going to poke you, I promise.
Not the issue I'm having. It's tickling.
It tickles?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's hitting your lower lashes.
Here. Up. 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 Ah. Look at me. See? I kind of dig it.
I dig it.
Okay, look at yourself.
I dig it.
Looks so pretty.
I dig it.
Do you want red lips?
Sure.
Let's do red lips. And call him the god of fire. No. Just open your mouth. Sit really still. Not that you're not. I'm just saying. Liz is like, you will not be doing my makeup for my wedding.
I'm not doing that. I mean, how much would you charge?
I wouldn't charge you anything. Do you see how I do makeup? It's not great.
You do great makeup, Nani. Don't you dare say you're so big.
Okay, put your lips together. Okay, press your lips together.
Is there a crack on your face?
It's not a crack, it's just a...
She bit her phone, so
Not my fault.
it is your fault she bit it.
If I be in there, it was either drop the phone, risk it breaking, or do that.
Look at yourself.
Mom, you should have unicorn headbands. Just for this purpose.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You hate it.
No, I dig it. I look like a champion.
Alright, so this is the final product. Zakkari, close your eyeballs so that I can get real close to your face and they can see it and edit. We did flames because he had water last time. I'm not the best at graphic liner, but I did the best I could, and this is just for fun. So there's that. Red lips, red eyes. He is the demon of fire. How do you feel? Do you
Bright.
feel 30?
Yeah.
You feel bright.
Feel
I
bright.
love it.
30-30 bragging.
30-30 and thriving. All right, that's it. Bye, everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Zakkari. Happy birthday to you. This is my granddaughter, Maury, and my son's fiance, Liz.
Hello, fiance.
All right. Peace out. Bye, everyone.